The last 10 years have seen the launch of a variety of electric, hybrid, and plug-in vehicles, along with a host of portable electronics, all using the latest in battery technology. That market demand has supported the growth of a burgeoning next-generation battery industry in this country. And perhaps nowhere is that industry as active as here in Michigan, led in part by a team of engineers at Ann Arbor-based Sakti3. Welcome to Berengea's Michigan VCTV, where we profile some of Michigan's most exciting venture-backed companies. Today, we're talking to Dr. Anne-Marie Sastry, CEO of Sakti3 and one of the nation's leading experts on battery technology. Anne-Marie tells us about her company's roots and its central role in Michigan's advanced energy industry.
Sakti3 is an advanced battery company. It's a spin-out from the University of Michigan. We spun out in 2007 with the goal of creating solid-state batteries to go into portable electronics in vehicles. In the summer of 2008, we were designated as a State of Michigan Center of Energy Excellence. That gave us a grant that allowed us to expand dramatically here in Ann Arbor, Michigan, and also allowed us to execute our plans for scaling up manufacturing more quickly. The commitment of the state was very important to our company because it gave us a case for Michigan being a high-tech state.
The Centers of Excellence program was designed to provide grants to key technology companies within core industry sector targets for the state of Michigan. In the case of Sakti3, the category was energy storage or advanced batteries. We identified very early on that Sakti3 was arguably a next-generation battery manufacturer that had key strengths in reducing costs in manufacturing, as well as key technology solutions that could significantly improve the performance of the battery in terms of lifetime or life cycle analysis, as well as just material characteristics and in performance. And Dr. Anne-Marie Sastry, the CEO of Sakti3, who was a U of M professor, is arguably one of the pioneers in the industry, not only in Michigan but in the country. He has key connections to the OEMs, or to the auto manufacturers, and has recruited the brightest and best, many of which are from U of M, but the brightest and best in terms of technology players on her staff. And we are very, very, very excited about Dr. Sastry and Sakti3 and their capabilities to dramatically improve not only the performance of the batteries, but also the manufacturing in Michigan.
Michigan is playing an important role in the first generation of mass-marketed electric vehicles. For these vehicles to ultimately compete with internal combustion engine-propelled vehicles on a global scale, we need longer range, longer life batteries, ones that are smaller, cheaper, and mass-producible. That's where Sakti3's solid-state batteries and their novel manufacturing process come in.
The way in which materials and batteries are made is very important. Right now, batteries are made with liquid electrolyte systems, which have some disadvantages. Sakti3 is using a solid-state technology, which is one of the manufacturing techniques which will probably pave the way forward to making cheaper and safer batteries. The use of high technology in democratizing certain products has a long and storied history, not only here in Michigan, but globally. One of the things that Sakti3 is trying to do with our manufacturing approach is make sure that we can build materials and devices with sufficient precision so they can be mass-produced efficiently and cheaply and power electric vehicles for the entire world.
Sakti3 aims to mainstream global adoption of plug-in, hybrid, and full electric vehicles by making safe, affordable, and high-performance batteries for these cars. Supported by both venture and government funds, Sakti3 is playing a critical role in assuring that Michigan will continue to lead in vehicle electrification with its next-generation technology and know-how. From Ann Arbor's own Sakti3, this is Michigan VCTV.